Did you guys understand anything I was trying to say just now? Exactly. Imagine waking up in a world where nobody understands you. You try to move your hands, you try to express yourself, but in return, all you get is confusion. Nobody speaks your language, nobody sees your words. How are you supposed to ask for help? How are you supposed to order your food, or even how are you supposed to tell what your name is? Good morning, everyone. I'm Tina Lama, and today I'm going to take you to the world where words are seen, not heard. A world where NSL is the bridge to communication. For them, saying a single sentence can be difficult, not because they lack words, but because the world around them lacks understanding. This is where our research steps in, an attempt to bridge the gap between speech and speechless. Using AI, which is currently done under Mantra Lab. Our research is mainly focused on collecting structured data set and a well-labeled annotated data set, which can be used for further AI development. This research is not just about AI and data set, but it's not just about AI and data set. It's about the attempt to make the language, which has long been visibility of the language, which has long been overlooked. So, what is NSL? NSL is not just about hand gestures. It's a language. It has structures and meanings to it, and it is the only way that the Nepali deaf community communicates within deaf community communicates. As this topic is very important, but still it is an under-researched area where they lack unique open source data set. So, why research on NSL? First of all, the simple answer is that there is no any structured data set which is available. And to perform feasibility study, we also want to check how much an AI is capable of understanding NSL and to explore and learn different AI technologies. So, problem statement. The lack of properly labeled NSL dataset has created a gap in creating precise and accurate AI recognition models. So, this is the main problem that we will be solving. This states that if a dataset is not properly structured and is not well annotated, then the AI model will not be able to develop a proper model. So, our research purpose is divided into three main categories. First is to create a unique, high-quality annotated dataset for NSL. Secondly is to develop efficient and accurate NSL recognition AI model. And third is to contribute to accessibility for the deaf community in Nepal. So, as we are not the first ones to discover sign language recognition model, so let's look on to some of the related works. So, this one is about Arabic sign language recognition model. Over here in their dataset, they have 13 sign letters and has a result of 90.03 accuracy. But their limitation is that their dataset size was very small. And another is Indian Sign Language Recognition System. Over here, their dataset consisted of 36 ISL alphabets, and they resulted to 98.5% accuracy. But their limitation is that their model could only recognize the alphabets and not the words itself. And another related work is sentence-level Nepali Sign Language, which is similar to ours. They had a dataset of total 1,640 videos, but their result showed 20.23% of word error rate. It shows that their limitation had one of their limitation is that they had a very high word error rate, and their videos only limited to 20 sentences. So these papers teach us that how much a dataset is important and how much it plays in a role while developing a model. So now let's see how we collected our dataset. So first, we referred to a YouTube channel of Mr. Hari Prasad Adhikari, who is a Nepali signer. And we referred to his playlist, which had over 60 videos, and each videos were from 5 to 25 minutes long. So first of all, when we collected a video, in each videos there were a lot of multiple words, and to collect each word, we had to extract each individual word, which was of 5 to 10 seconds. And annotate, and the video format was saved in MP4 format, and their naming convention was Nepali. It's Nepali translation _ its English translation. So over here you can see like this. this was done in Excel sheet, and this is the column of Nepali text and English text. So for example, agi barnu _ go ahead. So in this way, we annotated our data set into naming its video. And now, as we had a lot of videos, each videos were categorized into different categories. This was not done by us manually, but because the videos itself was categorized into different words, so it was pretty easy for us. So this is another category called education. And each extracted videos were put into their respective category folders so that it would be easy for us to annotate. Now, looking at the overview, we had over 1,552 unique annotated videos, 26 categories, and our main signer was Mr. Hari Prasad Adhikari. Now, this is the example of our annotated dataset sample, which was done in Excel sheet. Now, this is one of the video sample that we collected. This was about 7 to 8 seconds long. And this is another. So now, let's talk about the challenges. As we have only done, even though we have only done the dataset collection part, but we definitely faced some challenges. So one of it was time consuming. For example, this is a 10-minute long video. And to extract each word individually, we had to extract a very small portion of each videos. And after extracting this, and one of the other challenge we faced was that we could not validate whether the signs were rightly done by him. So now let's talk about the methodology. It is simply dataset creation, model development, and research paper writing and publication. Now let's talk about the possible models that we could use. So transformer. Transformer is a self-attention which is best for complex gestures and long-range dependencies. Another is vanilla architecture. As its name, it is a simple and baseline model like CNN and RNN. And another is transfer learning. It uses pre-trained models like ResNet, MobileNet, and is known for its faster training and higher accuracy. And another is VLM, Visual Language Model, which is a multimodal and it combines both visual and language like Clip and Flamingo. And we will be referring to these models while developing our model. And so what's next? So we will be now further reviewing more papers which will help us. And another step will be model creation. And lastly is research paper writing and publication. So thank you.